Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make a quick and easy dessert today. I call it CocoCran Energy Bites. Before we begin, as I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this super simple recipe. Add a cup of desiccated coconut into your blender. Also add some dried cranberries. These are the only two ingredients you will be needing for this recipe. Blend them. Although it's not necessary to blend it smooth, just make sure that the cranberries are crushed well. Transfer it to another plate and start rolling it and make bite-sized balls. Just like rest of the healthy recipes on my channel, these energy bites are perfect for a on-the-go breakfast. This 2-ingredient recipe will take less than 2 minutes to be ready. I hope you found this recipe useful and you will try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.